Are you team absolute or are you team relative references in Excel or Google Sheets? Mariana, what the heck are you talking about? This is part 8 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. In Excel or Google Sheets, think about relative reference as something dynamic, something that will move as you copy that formula into any other cell. And that can be either a column or a row or both the column and the row. For example, if you copy A1 plus B1 into a different cell, it will adjust the A and the B and the 1 based on whatever column and row you are pasting that formula into. But let's say you don't want the columns to move. You want the columns to stay the same, only the rows to change. Then you put the money sign before the column, so before A and before B. If you want the row to stay the same, then you put the money sign before the number of the row. On this case, it's 1. And if you want both the column and the row to stay the same, then you put the money sign before both the column and the row in the formula. This saves so much time when you know how to work with it, because sometimes you are going to repeat the same formula over and over again, but you don't want to use the exact same value over and over again. A cheat sheet to memorize this in either Excel or Google Sheets. You are going to use relative for flexibility, absolute for precision. If you see the money sign and the value of any cells, it means that you have, quote, locked either the column or the row or both of them. Now that you know what they mean, tell me, are you team absolute or are you team relative references in Excel or Google Sheets?